Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. We're gonna talk about payday loans. I'm noticing I'm getting an overwhelming of requests on doing more videos on payday loans. We know 2025, I slowed down on making payday loans, these quick loans and stuff like that, because this is the reason why I'm giving out my credit repair ebook for free on my website. Go ahead and download it and start building your personal credit. I don't want people getting in more debt, and this is the reason why I'm gonna stop making payday loans after this reaction of this video. So let's lock in, bear with me, and let's see this experience of this one lady that she's going through right now. Because why? Dealing with payday loans and quick loans. But let's hear what he have to say first. We're gonna get to it.
Client sent me today. As you can see, they are being charged 499% interest. And this is more common than you may think. You can see she borrowed only $1,250, but she's being charged $5,151 in interest. Now, these type of loans can make you feel like you have ruined your life and that you're stuck forever. But the truth is, there are ways out. There are programs out there to help give you relief for this type of debt. To explore your options, make sure you go to the link in my bio today. These type of loans are called payday loans and are often used to cover, let's say, an expense until you get paid. But the reality of it is a lot of people do not pay it off when they get paid. So they're stuck paying this extremely high percent interest. So to learn more and to avoid stuff like this,
So that was a guy breaking down payday loans and the interest you be paying that you need to stay away from. But we actually gonna get into the story of this lady that has multiple payday loans and paying like almost $6,300 a month repaying these payday loans. Let's get right to it though.
Minus the 2 months of the year that I get an extra paycheck. 6,300 out. 44 loans. 44. You heard that correct.
Now, out the gate, just hearing 44 loans is outrageous. It's bad enough somebody getting a payday loan. 1, 2. Imagine 44 loans. This is just crazy.
Down from 45. I paid one off last week. That was fun. Freed up $50 a month. Heck yeah. I have such a love-hate relationship with these payday videos because I know that the people who follow me or the people who find me absolutely love these videos. But these are hard for me. There's a lot of emotion that goes into it because every single time I do one of these videos, I face a new reality. And yes, I am aware that I had $6,300 going out because I budget. But it's like the last time I finally fessed up to how many loans I had. This time I'm like, been thinking this week about all of my minimum payments and all of the money that's not working for me, it's working against me. And this week I had to make some hard decisions and I let 2 credit cards get put into hardship and one, they closed the account.
So you're trying to pay off one thing. So let's say you take a payday loan. You're trying to cover your rent for where you living at. You're gonna take out, let's say, $500-600, and then in your next check you're only gonna pay a minimum on that one. Is this gonna be a domino effect? You're gonna take out another one and another one, and to pay $6,300 a month in payday loans is outrageous. But we're gonna get to it.
But they're going to allow me to have an interest-free 60-month loan, and I can pay them back whenever I want. And I needed the relief. It's going to tank my credit. I'm very aware. But I needed the relief more. And it freed up $400 a month. So next month, I will finally have a little bit of breathing room. Not a ton, but a little bit. And how does one acquire 44 loans? Carefully. Just joking. Life. Custody, divorce, gambling addiction, depression.
Well, we hear excuse, divorce, addiction. This is the reason why I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't do anything, I don't gamble, anything like that, man. You got to stay away from those things because they definitely could put you in a hole that you cannot climb out of, man. And please, I'll ask everybody that support this channel. I understand some people are going through a lot of hard times, but I'm gonna try to stay away from payday loans because I don't want people out there getting themselves in more and more debt, man. We need to fix our credit and do things the right way.
Life happens, but you are not defined by what happened. You are defined by what you did with what happened. And that's what I'm doing. I'm correcting it every day. And I came onto TikTok to spill this tea because I wanted something better. And I was not having any accountability. I didn't have anybody I can do this with. So I was like, you know, I'm going to find people on the internet. And I found you. So thank you. And if you're new to this channel, please give me a follow because we're building a beautiful community of people who support people. That being said, I know that you guys want to actually see what I spent my money on.
Let's see.
Hang on. These are my lovely bills for this check.
Now, just seeing that list, that is ridiculous. I mean, just ridiculous. So just imagine you got a family, you got a kids, you got to take care. And then on top of that, look at that list. Look at that list right there that she's about to show us. This is just crazy.
109 in a personal loan, $300 on a credit card, upgrade $485. That is a debt consolidation loan. And that's one reason that debt consolidations don't always work, because you go get into more debt afterwards. Personal loan, $241. That one is going away. That is a bi-weekly payment. I have, if you're new here, I've saved $700 this month towards paying that off as soon as my daughter is back on American soil. And then I have a personal loan of $264, a personal loan of $118, another personal loan of $325. We will pay that off in August with my third check that I get extra. IRS, $220. I had to call the IRS today because somebody hacked into my bank account and I need to change the bank account numbers, which I already did on the website, but I got a letter sent saying that I was in collections. I sat on hold for an hour and a half, y'all. I never had to work, so I did it while I had a commute, and they never picked up, and then I had to go see clients. I was just like, ah! And then a personal loan of $135. That one is going away.
All right, we're not going to go through the whole video. If you want to support this young lady, it will be in the description below this video. But again, we got to start thinking about and making the right decisions in life. We need to stay away from payday loans, cash advance, quick loans. We need to stay away from that because all you're doing is putting yourself in more debt, man. I want to help everybody. This is why the ebook is for free on the website. It should be 2026. We will not be doing no more payday loans, cash advance loans. That's out of the question. So please do not send me no emails on those kind of videos. So again, get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.